I found these jewelry things a while back. I have a haul for that. Find it in the iCard on top here or in the info box below. And I measured around the neck of my doll before I started, so I know how long I want these. And I want them no longer than 7 centimeters, but 6 is also fine. Here I have a 7. I'm going to make one in 6 right here. So I'm going to take here with the pearl, and I'm going to take one of these tools to cut it, because a normal scissor won't do it. Then these pieces followed in the pack, and they make it very easy to close up these jewelries, necklaces, things. So you just put it in there and push it out to the side like that, and then it's stuck. And you do the same thing on the other side. But I'm going to put in a little jewelry, and I'm going to take this little heart. I have these jump rings here, so I'm going to take one of those and my round nose plier, and I'm going to open up one of these rings. And when you do that, you need to twist them apart instead of pulling them apart. Otherwise you risk pulling out the circle. So I'm going to take the little heart, put it in there, and find around the middle on the little chain. And I'm just going to close it up. There we go. So now it is like in stock right there. And then now you put it on your doll, and you put in this little tiny ball and just do like that. And here you have your first nice jewelry for your Barbie or your 1-6 doll. I'm going to make a few earrings also, and for that I'm using an eye pin that I cut into length, and I bent the head of it a little down so it's not sticking out from the ear. Then I'm taking a jump ring and the jewelry I want to put in my earring. I open the jump ring and I put the jewelry and the eye pin in there and close the jump ring again. And that's all there is for these earrings. And you can do them with all kinds of different pearls and gems and so on. So it's only your imagination that puts the limits to this craft. Make the other one the exact same way, and now you can make as many as you want to. Happy crafting!